In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Wix template. If you're starting a new website on Wix, picking the right starting point saves you hours of work and helps your site look polished from day one. Let's walk through the process together so you can feel confident in your choice and get building faster. First, open the Wix template gallery. Log into your Wix account, head to My Sites, and select Create New Site. When prompted, choose a template. This takes you straight into the gallery, where you'll see hundreds of professionally designed options ready to tailor to your needs. Before you click on anything, get clear on your website's goal. Are you showcasing a portfolio, running an online store, writing a blog, promoting a service, or creating an event page? Knowing your primary purpose helps you prioritize the layout, features, and content areas you'll rely on most. Next, filter templates by category to narrow things down quickly. Choose your industry or website type to surface designs built for your use case. This makes it easier to find templates with the right structure from the start, like shop pages for e-commerce or project grids for portfolios. Now preview your top contenders. Click View to explore how each template flows. Scroll through multiple pages. Check the homepage sections and notice how text, images, and calls to action are positioned. Ask yourself whether the layout supports your content without forcing workarounds. As you compare options, consider customization flexibility. You want a template that lets you easily edit text and images, add or remove pages, and tweak design elements like colors, fonts, and spacing without breaking the layout. A flexible template adapts to your brand rather than making you fit its constraints. About halfway through your selection process, remember there's a direct link to the Wix website and template gallery at the top of the description. Use it to jump right in and follow along as you watch. Don't forget to check mobile responsiveness. In the template preview, switch to mobile view to ensure buttons are tab-friendly, text is readable, and images resize cleanly on phones and tablets. Most visitors will view your site on mobile, so this step is crucial. Also evaluate built-in features. Look for what you need: contact forms, booking systems, image galleries, blogs, or e-commerce tools, so you're not adding everything from scratch later. Once you've found the right fit, click Edit to start customizing it for your website. With the right template as your foundation, the rest of the build becomes much faster and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials.